When driving on a road, it's critical for drivers to understand their obligations concerning the risk-free opening of car doors. This test question addresses on ensuring safety and maintaining a smooth flow of road traffic. Let's take a better look at the correct answer and supply in-depth descriptions, along with useful examples to help explain this regulation. Safety measures are essential when opening a car door on a road to stop accidents and make sure the safety of all road users. For example, not stopping to look for oncoming traffic prior to opening a door can result in collisions and possible injuries, especially for bicycles and pedestrians. It is critical for drivers to be conscious of the traffic flow and lessen interruptions to ensure the smooth procedure of the road. Another example of this is when a driver obstructs a marked bike lane by opening a door without checking for cyclists, requiring them to browse right into traffic and causing accidents. Checking before opening. Before opening a car door on a road, drivers should check their mirrors and blind spots for coming traffic, cyclists, or pedestrians. They should also carefully and slowly open the door to avoid unexpected motions that can surprise or threaten others. Regulatory requirements. While specific regulations may vary depending on the Australian jurisdiction, many road traffic laws include provisions regarding the safe opening of vehicle doors to prevent accidents and ensure the free flow of traffic. Failing to exercise caution when opening a vehicle door on a road can result in penalties, fines, or legal liability if it leads to an accident or endangers others. Drivers have a duty of care to act responsibly and consider the safety of all road users. In summary, the above correct answer emphasizes the responsibility of drivers to exercise caution and think about safety implications when opening a car door on a road. This duty intends to prevent mishaps, minimize interruptions to road traffic flow, and to ensure the safety of all road users. By adhering to these principles, drivers can contribute to safer and more efficient transportation on the roads.